Hi guys, you have probably heard of eggy lace and sweet lace. In this video, we will explore the difference these two types of lace and you should look for it. Let's go! Sweet lace is an extremely popular material used by wig makers because of its reasonable price and great quality. Squeeze lace is thicker compared to other types of lace. However, after wearing the wig, it's very undetectable as it fits appropriately in the skin. We have two colors of this lace, light brown and dark brown. Eddy laser are thinner and more transparent. Eddy lace is created by modern technologies. Thus, they are softer and undetectable when placed on the skin surface. It's not easy to find out. Difference between squeeze lace and eddy lace clothes. First, durability. Compared to eddy lace, squeeze lace is more durable. Even if the thickness is similar to both the lasers, squeeze lace is considered a better option for people who want their wig to last for a long time. Second, aesthetic. When it comes to the aesthetic of color, you should select eddy lace. The wig created using eddy lace look natural and give luxurious appeal. These materials are extremely thin and soft. People won't get that you are wearing a wig hair extension. Third, price. Because eddy lace is thin and soft, so the price of eddy lace is higher than squeeze lace. The foregoing is a comparison between the two types of lace. If you still haven't chosen the suits lace for you, please contact us through WhatsApp for advice and good deals. Thanks for watching.